Ladies, if you are looking for a last-minute Valentine's Day gift to gift your situationship, boyfriend, husband, father, guy friend, or that special someone you have in mind, just keep watching. I have the most perfect special gift for you. Glaker was kind enough to send me a special Valentine's Day gift in the mail. If you struggle on deciding and thinking about what to get that special someone or don't know them well enough, your talking stage situationship, don't worry girl, I got you. I highly recommend the Glaker hair clipper kits for men. Every guy shaves or needs to use a razor once in their life, and even for women to shave down there, this is even a perfect gift to give to her. If your man is in desperate need for haircut, this is perfect. And it also does the beard as well, which is absolutely amazing. It comes with a mini razor and a large razor for haircuts, hairy chest hair or arm hair, anything you want to shave. This is a holy grail and a must-have. Not only that, it comes with 2 chargers. After I take the safety cap off and the blade cap, which is so child protective safe, so this is perfect if you have children running around in the home as well. Look how powerful the vibration is. This is great for haircuts. If they even have long hair, short hair, the back, by the ears, this is so great to shave, and with legs as well. It's perfect. And here you can easily tell if you're traveling. You can tell you have 81% left. I don't need to bring a charger with me on the go. This is great if you're going on trips. There are so many options and razor blades to choose from. There's 1/8 inch, there's 1 inch, half an inch, 7/8 of an inch, absolutely anything your heart desires or your man desires. They have smaller blades for the beard, mustache, wherever. The trimmer right here comes with 13 guide combs, so you can shave and sculpt seamlessly. Absolutely no razor burns as well. Not only that, but these are heavy and these are covered in metallic, so these are premium and they are so durable. So if you drop this in the bathtub, the bathroom, anywhere, it is not gonna break. These are so durable. These are gonna last you a lifetime. What else this set comes with is a tooth comb, so you can style it as you go, which is amazing. It comes with absolutely everything you need here, and a brush, so when there's excess hair coming out, all you just need to do is just brush the razor and you're set to go. The last thing this kit comes with is oil, so in case the razor starts to get a little bumpy or rusty, you have some oil to smooth down the shaving process. It has instructions, so it's dummy proof free in case he's lacking a little extra brain cells. Girls, what are you still waiting for? If you're still deciding on what to get your man for a Valentine's Day gift, your anniversary, birthday, Christmas, whatever you want to treat him for, go get these razors right now. And not only that, they are 15% off right now just for Valentine's Day. If you go to my TikTok shop, it will be right there. It will be tagged below in the caption. Make sure to go get yourself and your man a pair, and your father. Father's Day is coming up. Happy Valentine's Day and Super Bowl weekend.